Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to install Live Kali Linux in your pen drive. So let's get started the video. First of all, you have to download Live ISO image from official website. I will give the link in the description. So I will download this. Open your browser. Type here Kali Linux and enter. Here you can see the official website is appear here. Click on this. So the Kali Linux official website is appear here. Click on download button. Here you can see the different categories or come here installer image virtual machine. So scroll down mobile ARM cloud. So I will click on this live boot. So here you can see the three ISO images appear here. It is also download for 32-bit 64-bit. I will download this. So here you can see the download is started. I will also download. I will already download it, so I will cancel this. So the second software is very useful for this. It is for booting the ISO images. So his name is Rufus. So download the Rufus or UFUS Rufus, search here. Here you can see the official website is appear here. Click on this. So the Rufus website is open. So scroll down. Here you can see you can download this. Click on this. So here you can see the download is started. I will already download it. I will cancel this. So here I will check the downloaded file in download folder. Here you can see the Rufus and Kali Linux 2024.1 live AMD 64 is downloaded. So how you can install live ISO image in your pen drive? So open the Rufus. Yes. So here you can see the Rufus is open. Connect your pen drive. Here you can see I will connect it 64 gigabytes pen drive. So select the ISO image. So download folder. Here you can see this is I will download it. So open here. So start this. Okay. Yes. So here you can see this is started. So now this is started. It takes a long time depending upon your USB speed. Here you can see the Rufus process is completed. Now I will show you how to open your live Kali Linux. So restart your PC. I will restart my PC. My PC is reopen here. So press the function key. In my case it is F12. So scroll down. In second press enter. Here you can see the Kali Linux. So enter on this. So you can see that the Kali Linux is started here. Now you can see that the Kali Linux is open here. Here you can see it is very nice wallpaper and very nice interface. So that's all in this video. If you like the video, so like the video and also subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching the video.